Hello, Addison. I've got your 4.02 program that you turned in, and I don't think it does what you think you wanted it to do. But let's take a look at it together. Okay, I've copied it and pasted it into a Python window here. And when I run it, so look at the menu, what do you want to draw? Okay, I'm just going to hit 1 because the menu hadn't printed yet. It says 1 is moving forward. That's not moving forward. That's what the sample program does in our lesson. Well, okay, let me turn left then. 2 is left. 2. No, that's drawing the spiral twist that was in our lesson. You just changed the color on it. Well, let me turn right with number 3. No, that draws the shape in our program too. You just changed the colors from green and yellow to red and blue. So this is the sample program with the colors changed, and you just changed the names on the menu, but it doesn't do what the menu says. The menu says forward, left, right, and exit. That's not forward, it's drawing that shape. Let me hit forward and exit and look at your code here. Okay, let's look at the code, because according to this, it should go forward, left, and right. That's not what it's doing. You change the menu to say that, and down here, let's see. If I choose one, it's not going forward, it's running a function named forward. Oh, so you just renamed this to be forward, but it doesn't go forward. It draws this little star shape. And you rename this one to be right, rename that one to be left. Just renaming the functions doesn't change anything. This is really still, if this was a business, it'd be a stolen program. You'd be sued for copyright infringement because all you did is just change the names and the colors. If you really wanted this to be forward, left, and right, let's delete all this stuff up here. Let's get rid of this function and get rid of that function and get rid of that function. Okay, I've deleted all of that now. It's all gone. Now we just have the menu. Forward, left, right, and exit. And then we just change this to be T dot forward, since the turtle is named T, which is still a boring name for a turtle. T dot forward, and how far do we want to go forward? Let's say 50 pixels. T dot left, how many degrees? Let's say we want to turn 90 degrees. Let's change this to T dot right and turn right 90 degrees. Okay, let's run it now. 1 is forward. Let's see, 2 is left, forward, right, forward. See, now it's actually going forward, left, right, forward, all that. I'm going to hit forward, it's exit. But you were having it repeat all these functions up here that was in our program, and you just renamed them. You didn't actually change the commands to just go forward, left, and right. So now I've cut it down to only just a few lines of code. We got 39 total, and that includes the whole menu function up here. So you didn't really write a program. You took the program that it had and just changed the colors and the names and stuff. Good intention. It'd be great if you changed to go forward, left, right, because it's like, okay, so you use the base of the program to at least get the menu and all that stuff, but you changed what the program does. You didn't change what the program does. So yeah, be careful if it doesn't say you can have this code exactly and use this, then you're just like copyright infringement, right? When you're writing this program, you have to write enough code to make it yours. You can use the base in our lessons. I'm very happy with that, but you have to write some code. You didn't write any code. You just change names, change colors. So if you get stuck in those things, if you're trying to make it do something and you're like, okay, I don't know how to make it turn forward, that's when you email me or come to class and say, Mr. Brock, I don't know how to make it go forward and left and right. Because that looks like what you intended to do. So, all right, I'll get this feedback to you. We'll see you in class.